Hi, Tara back here from Expert Talks. First off, you want to make sure when taking a shower with a hair system that the water isn't too hot. Hot water could affect the actual adhesive and prevent it from staying on as long as possible. When shampooing a hair system, we do not want to over agitate the hair system. You want to apply some shampoo, put it on the system, and emulsify it in just by rubbing it slightly with your hands. Do not agitate. Don't do that. You will form knots and it will make it very difficult to get them out afterwards. Then you're going to let it rinse out completely, making sure that the water runs completely clear with no bubbles left over to ensure that you do not have any shampoo left inside the system on your scalp. That will cause irritation later. Then you want to apply some conditioner at this point. Same thing, applying it and just rubbing it onto the hair. You can use a brush to gently brush the conditioner through at this point. You will then leave that on for a few minutes and rinse off. If you don't want to condition in the shower, you can use a spraying conditioner at the end of your shower after you have towel dried your hair slightly. And that's how you take a shower with the system. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time at Superhairpieces.